Hi, I'm Xenowave, and today I'm going to show you how I made this sound. Okay, so in the nuisance section we have the oscillator button turned on, and I use an order of 2. Operator 1 is just a sine wave that we're detuning with itself. So what I'm doing here is basically I have a sine wave at this pitch and I have a sine wave at this pitch, which are about 102 cents apart, which is approximately a semitone. So usually when you start your Sytrus, it sounds like this. It'll sound like the solo this. It'll sound like this. And octave, because it's defaulted at 1200. So I brought it down to that, because this is basically your range for whatever pitch control you're doing. So I wanted this. Yeah. And that's what causes our little piss warble later on. Operator 2 is our usual square wave, converted sine harmonics, and randomized phases with no fundamental, because our sine waves are taking care of that. Operator 3 is just a low intensity sine wave with harmonic 8 added on there. That's just what I wanted. It has a ratio of 4 and it's modulating operator 2. Operator 4 is just a sine wave, again, low intensity, and it is modulating operator 3. Operator 5 is our supermodulator, which is just a saw wave at a ratio of 4, low intensity. And notice how in the matrix, 5 operating 2, 5 on 2 is a positive polarity, but 5 on 3 is negative. But then 5 on 4 is positive again. This is because polarity really, you can really hear the difference in polarity when supermodulating, like so. So this is just what I liked. And of course, you can mess with the intensity or pitch as needed. Really up to you. Operator 6 is just a sub going out, and that's it for the operators. So the filter chain over here is a band stop, and a band pass. So filter 1's band stop is on triple mode and high quality with high resonance, because I just like a big gaping hole sweeping through the bass. That's for so much movement. And then distortion to bring back some of that. Make it, clean distort. And then I serialize that into filter 2, which is another bandstop filter, but it's on flat and high quality and triple mode. And I'm automated cutoff again. And again, high resonance, but no distortion. And this is getting sent into filter 3, which is our band pass, which is on triple mode, high quality, and a resonance of 65. I just like this resonance. It has a nice round sound to it. But 70, 80, whatever you want. You can even just get away with automating that as you make the sound. But yeah, I'm automating these 3 cutoffs, and there's distortion for this bandpass filter as well. No custom wave shaping, just default. But feel free to mess with that as well. And for the effects, I have a chorus of 9, chorus order of 9, and these are the settings. No speed, I believe it's default delay. Yeah, default delay. Spread is default, and cross is default. And that's the sound. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a good day.